What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is February the 11th of February, and I am here to do an unboxing. Oh yeah, another unboxing. And the question is, what is this gonna be today? What is it gonna be today? Let's see. Like I always say, make sure you get one of these because you cut the box, it don't cut yourself. Which is awesome. I not too long ago finished my workout, but I still want, and I got my names down, so I will be doing my songs in a little bit. So in this box, let's see. I have dun 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 dun. You know your boy likes cereal. Dun 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 dun. So I got these are cinnamon toasties from Snoop cereal. So, I like the cereal and I do want to represent for the, because they're definitely trying to put out some good stuff for us. I haven't checked them out yet. But, that means I have, dun, 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 dun. So, I will be about to open one of these today. So, and test them out. And, the expiration date on here is pretty good. You know what I mean? I just got them today. And it's pretty much it'll still be good to almost like the end of the year. So that's awesome. So I got the Fruity Hoops with marshmallows from the Snoop cereal, and I also have the cinnamon toasties from the Snoop cereal. So which one I'm gonna eat first? I don't know. We'll find out. So until next time, I'll holler at you. Peace and hair grease. Yeah. So I gotta try to call. I gotta